Now to Ottawa, reaction continues to pour in after the deadly attack. Foreign Affairs says so far no Canadians were reported killed or injured. CTV's Michelle Boyer is following the story from our bureau for us. Michelle, condolences coming in from all sides, including royalty today. What's the latest?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I want to show you the latest on Parliament Hill, Marcia. This is the view of the Peace Tower. You could see the flag has been lowered to half staff. That happening within the last hour, and Canadian officials telling us this is in honor of the victims of the attack in Manchester. Also, hearing from the Prime Minister, extending his condolences, and also opposition party leaders. Rona Ambrose, one of those weighing in. The interim leader, of course, she's saying everyone in Manchester is in our thoughts, prayers for the injured and the loved ones of those killed. Tom Mulcair, the leader of the NDP, also putting out this tweet saying, "What devastating news, all our love to Manchester and everyone affected by this terrible attack." And I can tell you that this an attack is not foreign here in Ottawa. Of course, there has been an attack here, and anytime something like this happens, always brings a great amount of sadness, especially considering the victims of what happened in Manchester, young girls who were going to a concert. And, the magnitude of what happened and just so many people injured, so many people killed. The Royals also weighing in. The latest, I want to share this one with you, says from the Prince, hundreds of friends, parents, children, and partners are confronting unimaginable grief today, and we send our thoughts to all of them. So you know what, Marcia, these condolences have just been pouring in, not only from Canada, but around the world, and likely going to be continuing to pour in for a long time. This is just a horrible tragedy, and the Prime Minister said that the hearts of Canadians are with all the victims and their families.
Michelle, thanks for that. We'll talk to you later.
Thank you.